So I probably gained the love for football when I was very young, when I played grassroots for my local team, Downey Dynamos, and then I moved to MK Dons, which was like my first academy growing up, was there for a while, and then moved to first team football at Oxford. I think it was a massive step going from the academy at Oxford when I was 16 to then the first team, which was filled with like older girls, and obviously like I learnt so much there, and I had a great coach who would teach me everything, and it was brilliant. I think making that step up at such a young age really sort of carved my career. It was really good for me and I wouldn't change anything. I've always been quite a technical player, so I've always looked for clubs which maybe play feet more than in behind, or a mix of both. So yeah, I really got on well at Watford. I think that was sort of my breakthrough into professional football. I think it was brilliant for me, obviously being a striker, scoring goals. It was a really good individual season for me. So yeah, I learnt a lot there as well.
Is Jay Unye sòirbheachail le Oxford United agus Watford. Hook Carly in achim na dríach in tìotal. A fine coonan lan Unye le boranich Durham.
It's a bit of a no-brainer really, a first professional contract. I think my mum, she was like, go for it, it's all you've wanted, to be fully time professional. So yeah, I just made that step. I think it was quite tough right at the beginning, because obviously I'd never moved out before. But the girls at Durham were lovely, like they helped me settle in amazingly. So yeah, it was good, but it was tough at the same time.
Get nach do cluichi mór in a farc. Chríoch mi geskippes in Cedif Atje aan een championship sassin. Agus noch corum gurage as Jay. Fachel a phone le Eva Olid. Agus corum conniche gerish le kutchikin in roi jolach. Hukshin ora glusik getuur, agus gugorgi.
I think the club just contacted my agent. They set up like an interview with Eva, just for her to tell me about the club and like the play style, and I was instantly drawn in. And I know Georgia Tim's here from Oxford days, so that obviously influenced my decision. But yeah, I think it's just a lovely group. I think it's just really settling in, getting the hang of things, like learning how teammates play. You get confidence every game, like scoring goals as a striker, like confidence is the main thing for me. Little finishing details and just little passages of play, like movements as well. We're a very tactical team, so just still learning a lot here. I think she's a brilliant manager. She's very tactical. I think she has a lot of confidence in me, so I'm trying to reciprocate that on the pitch, showing confidence, trying to score goals. But yeah, I'm learning a lot of her. It's amazing, like having a manager who has confidence in you. Like as I said, it gives you a big uplift on the pitch.
Hij erevi na horsach toshichi sòirbheachail ga Carly Jones aan een donation. A cluich trich sin skippe le voining gulor ik eine parke. Hann eripse a ha advantage sòisealtan opracha gemach le harts fasca de vullach. Agus an bui sin aan een derby donation coolov gemor en tuiche gacha.
I think the girls were hyping it up. Obviously the management was trying to get us to calm down with the whole situation, but deep down we knew how big the game is. Even for the league, just getting the 3 points is really important at this stage. Like in front of all the fans as well, it just felt like a really big game, and hopefully we get the opportunity to do that again. We all just get on really well, and as a team as well, there's no like cliques in the group. I think it's really important because you push each other on every game in training. You know, you always want to better your competition, but it makes you better in general. I think that the girls are really confident. The way we play, I think we can beat anyone really on our day. So I think the aim is to win the league.